Hey guys, hi, how you all doing today? As usual, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing, well actually a big one because there's a big box over there. I'm just going to be showing you guys my new lights. So I'm experimenting with my filming setup. So I sold my, well, I'm about to sell my, I'm just revamping a little bit. So that's basically that's the LED light and some stuff for my small business. Let me get the scissors. Got some LED lights after doing some research. My ring light spots, so I returned it. So I was trying to figure out if I wanted to get another ring light or just get like an LED panel. And I figured that I really like the lighting that comes from LED because I feel like they are more brighter. Let's open this one. I believe this is my oil. My lip gloss oil finished, so I had to restock on some new shades for Valentine. So this is my vitamin E oil. I really love that oil. Now let's open this one. So my lip gloss labels finished, so I had to restock on my labels. Let me know if you're interested, even though I think I already have a video on how I do that, but just let me know if you're interested. Some syringes because I've run out of the ones that my sister sent to me. These are 60 ml syringes. I really needed this, so this is what they look like. And they all come individually packaged. And I will also be using this for my wholesale, which is going to be live, wholesale here in the US, which is going to be live in February next month. So if you're interested in shopping with us, that would be great. Papers. Page 1. The second one. And the tripods. I wish they came with carrier bags, but we're gonna find out, Sha. Just gonna take the tape off. So let's turn one on first. Yes. Okay, so okay. Nice carrier bag. It comes with, I'm just so scared because of my experience with these guys' ring lights. I'm just praying this one doesn't do the same thing. Warranty. Smells like fresh electricity. It's really good. I'm just gonna put that over there. So let's explore this some plugins in actually. Now this is what the light looks like. It's yay tall and the width for reference. And it comes with bands and a diffuser. So this is basically what it looks like. So let's unbox one of the tripods. Let's see. And turn it on. Ooh, yes. Very bright, right?
It's bright. Does it change the intensity?
Yeah, I think you can.
So you can actually change.
Yeah.
Isn't that like very direct?
There's a diffuser already inside. Yeah. Ooh, here. This is just one, and you can see how bright it is. So let me increase it all the way up, and this is how bright it goes. Actually, I think just one of these would have been fine, but they were selling it as a set. So, and then if you want the lights more focused on you, you can just use the bandos, and it's more like targeted on the side. If you want it spread out, you can see how it like also brightens out the other side. So this I really like. Once you put this on one side, you can see how bright this side is. You put the other one on this side, and if you don't want to buy both of them, you can just put just one in front, and maybe your ring light will be behind. And that's it. But I just like the way it's not taking up space.
Exactly.
Like this is just so space efficient. Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna try to insert a picture here. If you had seen how it looked with my soft boxes, everywhere just looked so tight. Do you get? So